My name is Joy Phillips and I'm a nutritionist. Over the years, I've developed my passion into specifically creating dishes that are not only delicious, but also have real medicinal health benefits. In this masterclass, I'm going to show you some of my favourite dishes, which are super simple to prepare. So let's get on with it. We are making broccoli falafels with a tahini lemon drizzle. Super easy, lots of spices and fresh herbs go into this dish. So we have our broccoli rice. So all you've done is pulsed your broccoli in a blender or food processor. Broccoli, really good for you, lots of B12, vitamin C, absolutely full of nutrients. Then we're taking our chickpeas. This is 1 tin of chickpeas and they've been pulsed as well. Full of protein, lots of fibre to get into your diet. And then we have the onions, white onion, again that's pulsed. Put that into the bowl. Lots of nutrients in your onions, very good for asthma, for cleansing, good for your eyes, everything. And we take some flour. It's ideal to use a bit of chickpea flour. This is just for binding. And we've got a little bit of baking powder in there too. Grated zest of lemon. Lemon, of course, lots and lots of vitamin C. What we want to try and do is get lots of vitamin C into our body. We deplete it every day, so it's good to take vitamin C all day rather than one sort of lot. And also, we want to keep our bodies alkaline. Now, citrus fruit is really good for that, but you think that's obviously, a lemon is acidic, but actually when it goes into your system, it turns alkaline. If you have an alkaline body, it will keep you away from diseases. So it's very good to try have alkaline. And alkaline foods are obviously all natural, non-processed foods. We take a pinch of pepper, black ground pepper, and a pinch of sea salt. Salt doesn't have that much nutritional value, it's just for flavouring. But the sea salt is much better for you. And then we have a pinch of cayenne pepper, just for a little bit of hot spice. Garlic, good for purifying the blood, for cleansing. Cumin, very high in iron and vitamin C. So the spices also have a nutritional value. And finally some coriander powder. Then we're going to take some herbs. Any herbs you have really, and just chop them up. And I've got some mint and chives, whatever you have. If you luckily have some in the garden or just buy some. And this is just to give it added flavour. And just chop those up and put them all in. And it's just a case of just mixing that all together. And you can also do this in the blender as well, as long as you've already pulsed the onion, the broccoli, to make the broccoli rice and the chickpeas. And if need be, you can just add a tiny little bit of water, which is just for binding. And then you can just finally just get your hands in there and then just put it all together. And you should have a nice kind of really big paste. And then all you need to do is take the little balls, sort of like dessert spoon size, and just place them on a baking tray. And I said, they don't have to be completely pulsed. They can, you know, it's good just to have them sort of, if the chickpeas aren't completely ground, which is absolutely fine. So this is a great dish. It's vegan, it's good for snacks. And it's also super healthy because we're going to bake it in the oven, so it's not even fried. And they store in the fridge for up to 5 days, and you can also freeze them as well. And it's great, then you can just make a huge sort of batch of them and keep them in the fridge or the freezer. And a great snack to go, so you've got a healthy snack in the fridge. Okay, let's move that out of the way. And there you have your broccoli falafels. We're just going to put those in the oven. They go on temperature 220 for 18 minutes. But for 9 minutes, put a timer on, and then you just turn them over so they brown on each side. And after 18 minutes, you can bring them out of the oven. And they will look golden and crisp. And then you can just serve these up, and we're going to make with this the lovely tahini lemon drizzle to accompany it. And then you just dip the falafels in. So just put those in the tray, the baking serving dish. Great. So here we're going to make the drizzle, and we've got some tahini, which again, super nutritious, lots and lots of sesame seeds, lots of protein and minerals in. We just pour that in to the dish, to the bowl. And with that we take some more garlic for more flavour and some lemon juice. And a little bit of warm water. And then all we do with this is take the whisk and just whisk up all those ingredients together, just so they're finely mixed. You can put it again in the blender, but it's quite actually easier just to whisk it by hand, and you have that really lovely consistency. And then we can just pour that into a little serving bowl. And there you have broccoli falafels with a tahini lemon drizzle to serve.